It seems like you are underestimating the sun. The sun is hell of a monster. The bombs which destroyed Nagasaki and Hiroshima in a moment are million times smaller than the sun, which is itself powered by millions atomic bomb-like reactions. Coming to the question, can we extinguish sun with a very big bucket of water? Really, hear me out. To be able to answer this, we need to know why water extinguishes fire. Here on earth, whenever something burns, it necessarily reacts with oxygen and gives out a lot of energy that comes out as a flame, and we call it fire. When we pour water on fire, water has a tendency to avoid reacting with oxygen, and also it forms a thin layer of water around the burning object. As a result, the oxygen in the air cannot reach the burning object, and the object hence cannot burn any further. So we say, hey look, water extinguished the fire. But interestingly, sun is a beast. It doesn't burn by reacting with oxygen. It isn't burning at all. The sun isn't fire but something worse. Fire is nothing but hot air rising that also emits light. Sun is powered by nuclear fusion, which is process in which two hydrogen atoms merge together to form helium, and as a result it shoots a proton and highly energetic particle that absorb the energy emitted from particles that absorb the energy emitted from fusion, along with tons and tons of harmful radiation. From X-rays to radio waves, the sun is very harsh that even if you are 140 million kilometers away from it, and you don't have the protection of Earth's atmosphere, ozone layer to be very specific, or a space suit, you will be fried within a second by the sun's UV rays. Sun emits energy by nuclear fusion. Pouring water won't help, because the amount of energy being emitted will almost instantly break the water molecules into hydrogen atoms and oxygen atoms. And don't you forget, hydrogen is the fuel on which the sun runs, and a big bucket of water will contain lots and lots of hydrogen. So instead of extinguishing it, you are adding more fuel to it, and guess what will happen then? The sun will burn more furiously. The bucket is gone, the sun has double the mass and double the fuel. The sun was on fire and the sun still is on fire. You cannot extinguish the sun with any amount of water, even if the water is 100 times more than the mass of the sun. When they merge together, the mass will be so high and the gravity will be so strong that the core will now undergo nuclear fusion more furiously, and your attempt will fail harder. Do comment and subscribe to the channel if you like the video. That's my time. See you tomorrow.